How many tools are you using to create content right now? Maybe ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for image generation, Runway or Veo for video generation, CapCut for video editing, and more. What if I told you you could do all of that from a single tab? Images, videos, scripts, all automated, all connected, all in one place. That's exactly what Sgen Canvas does. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step. By the end, you'll have a fully automated content creation workflow that you can reuse over and over again, just by changing a few words. Let's dive in. So first, what is Sgen AI? Sgen is an all-in-one AI-powered creative platform. Think of it as your personal AI creative studio. It can generate images, videos, audio, 3D models, basically any kind of content you need. Now, Sgen has three main ways you can work with it. The first one is agent mode. This is where you chat with the AI like a creative assistant. You just describe what you want, and it creates it for you, back and forth, like a conversation. The second is tool mode. This gives you access to individual AI tools, image generation, video generation, lip sync, and more, each as its own standalone tool. And the third, and this is what we're focusing on today, is canvas mode. Canvas mode is where content automation actually happens, and I'll explain exactly what that means in just a second. Oh, and one more thing before we move on. Sgen gives you 1,000 free credits just for signing up, so you can follow along with everything I'm showing you today for free. The link is in the description. Okay, Canvas is a visual node-based workflow editor. Now, if that sounds technical, don't worry. It's actually incredibly simple once you see it. Here's the idea. Instead of manually going from tool to tool, copying a prompt here, pasting an image there, Canvas lets you build a visual pipeline. You place nodes on a screen, connect them together with wires, and data flows through automatically. When you open a new canvas, you get a clean blank workspace. To add a node, you just double-click anywhere on the canvas, and a menu pops up with all your available nodes. Now you can add these nodes and build your own workflow. Okay. Now that you know the interface, let's build something real. Here's what we're going to build. A fully automated content creation workflow, starting from a single sentence and ending with a finished AI-generated video. For example, I want to make a commercial video automation pipeline for any product. Okay, first of all, we have to add a node for the prompt. To do that, we have to add a text input node. Once the node is added, we can use it as a prompt input node. For example, I want to create a hero product shot for my product. So, I am typing, create a hero product shot for a perfume bottle. Okay, now I will add a text generator node to turn my idea into a detailed prompt. I will just bring the output of the text input node and then select the text generator node. Once the node is added, I will click on the run button, and within a few seconds, it generates the prompt. This time, it's getting me wrong. As I didn't mention anything in the input idea, it works using its own brain. To solve this, you can mention in the text input. However, as I already have a product image, I will add an image input node and then connect it with the text generator node to solve the problem and keep my product consistent. I am uploading the image. Now, once I run the node, you can see that I create a perfect image prompt. Okay, as my prompt is ready, I will add an image generation node. Once the image generation node is added, you can see that the prompt has been added to the prompt box. Now, I will connect it with the reference image, which means the image input node, and you can see that the reference image has been added. Now, select the image generation model. You will find a bunch of options. Select which one you want to use. After selecting the model, set the aspect ratio, and then the image resolution. Once everything is set, hit the Run button. And here it is. The image is ready. And look at that. It creates a perfect hero image of our product. In this method, you can create as many variations as you want. Okay, we generated the image. Now, it's time to generate the video. So, I am adding a video generator node. Once the node is added, you can see that the image has been added as the reference. Now set the video generator model. You will find a vast number of video models here. I am selecting the Seedance 2.0 model, as Seedance allows 9 images, 3 videos, and 3 audio clips as references. You can add the node and connect them with this video generation node. However, I will go with the single image input this time. Okay, now we need a detailed prompt for Seedance 2.0 to generate the video. To generate a high-quality prompt, I will add a text input node first and then connect it to a text generation node. After that, I will connect the text generator node to the video generation node. Now I will generate the final prompt. To do that, I already wrote a prompt guide. I will share the prompt guide with you. You just have to enter the topic here. For example, I am typing, product commercial video for a perfume. You should add your own. Now, copy the full prompt guide and paste it into the text input node. Now, come to the text generation node and connect it with the first reference image for a better prompt. Now hit the run button, and here it is, the prompt is ready. Okay, our reference image and prompts are ready. Now it's time to generate the video. So, come to the video generator node and set the aspect ratio, mode, and duration. Once everything is ready, hit the run button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready. This is really amazing. So we just created this cinematic commercial with just an image and text prompt. And once I build the pipeline, we can use it when we want. For example, now, I want to create another commercial video for this car. So, I am uploading the image, entering the text prompt. Once done, I will run the text generator node and generate the prompt. Once the prompt is ready, I will generate the image. And here it is, the image is ready. Now, let's create the video. I will change the topic from the prompt guide, copy the full prompt guide, and paste it into the video generator text input. After that, I will run the text generation node, and our prompts are ready. Now, we have to set the settings in the video generation node, and then hit the run button. And here it is, the video is ready. So now, in this method, we can create any kind of commercial video. Not only commercial videos, but we can also create any kind of video. Let's say I want to create a fight scene between this character and a robot. So, I will follow the same process as before. Upload the image, enter the prompt, and generate the image generation prompt. Once the prompt is ready, create the image. Once the image is ready, modify the prompt guide and generate the video generation prompt. Once the prompt is ready, generate the video. And here it is, the video is ready.
Not today!
So, now you can create any kind of videos using this pipeline. You can even create a more complex pipeline to create a short film from a single prompt. If you want to know how to create one, you can tell me in the comments section. I can create some for you. So that's Sjinn Canvas. One tab, one workflow, full content automation. You're not jumping between 5 different apps anymore. You're not manually copy-pasting prompts. You're not starting from scratch every single time. You build the pipeline once, and then you let the AI do the work. If you want to try this yourself, the link is down in the description. If this video helped you, drop a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, now's a good time. I'll see you in the next one.